very good morning students. How are you? Hope you all are fine at your place. Now this one is our third video of introduction to HTML. Okay. In our previous videos we were discussed a lot of things about HTML. So in this video we are going to do the practical work, that is we are going to create a HTML web page. Okay. So for further work we will move to our Windows screen. So student, this one is our part 3 video of HTML hypertext markup language. Okay, in our previous videos we were discussed about the basic definition of HTML, basic HTML tags and the basic structure of HTML documents by using the root structure. Okay, as we discussed in our HTML document there are two parts, number one the head and number two the body part. Okay, so head part contains the title of the page and the body part contains the other thing like image, table, headings and hyperlinks. Okay, so this one is the structure of the HTML document. Head, then after that the head contains the title tag in it. It can show the page title. The next one is the body tag. Body tag contains the another tag or the other tags or the tag which we want to show in our web page or work area. Okay, so the next here we close the body tag. Every closing tag will be preceded by the slash or that forward slash symbol. Okay, here we close our HTML document. Okay, now in this video we are going to learn about the creating the HTML document. So students, for creating the HTML document we have number of text editors in which we can write our code or scripting code. Okay, so for that we have Notepad, WordPad and Word etc. So we will start our script by using the Notepad. First you have to click on the start, then you have to write here Notepad, Notepad, then click enter. Here your Notepad window will appear on the screen. So we will start writing our scripting here. First of all I have to increase the size of the font so it is convenient for you to see this. Okay, so first of all I have to write the code, that is HTML tag. Okay, every document must start with the HTML tag. After the HTML tag, the next tag which we have to define is head tag, HEAD, head tag. Okay, head tag always required a closing tag with it because it's a type of container tag. Just between the head tag we have to write the title tag, TITLE. It contains the title of our page. Suppose I want to put the title of my page is my first web page, yeah, my page. Okay, my first page. And I have to close the title tag here because it's also a type of container tag. Okay, now the next I have to open the body tag, BODY tag. Body tag contains the all other tag or the things which we want to show in our web page. Suppose I want to write hello world. This is the thing which I have to show in our web page. So, and here I close the body tag, and after closing the body tag I'll close the HTML tag also. Okay, so to make it as a web page I have to save my HTML document with .html extension. Suppose I have to save my file in the desktop destination, then I have to select destination from here like desktop and I create a new folder. Okay, and the name of that folder is HTML. You can assign any name to your folder and you can write the name of your file here. Suppose my file name is web, 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 and the extension is .html. Okay, from save as type you have to select the all files here. Okay, and then click on the save option. Now this one portion is done. To run this scripting page or to run this web, you can just directly click on the folder and from here you can just right click on your file and here you can select the open with Google Chrome. Okay, here you can see the title of your page is my first page, which I have written in under the title tag. Look, the title is my first page. This one is the title, and it shows here, and the body tag hello world, it will print on your web page. Okay, and the second way to open your HTML web page is you have to open your web browser. Now press Ctrl+O. Okay, it's the shortcut key to open anything. Okay, from here you have to select your file in the HTML folder. I have selected the web. Here you can see this is the another way to open your web page. Okay, hope you all are clear with this. Now we are going to do the second practical. Okay, in my second practical, or in our second practical, we are going to learn how to change the background color. Okay, so suppose if I want to change the background color of my web page, then I just have to click here and write the BG color. Okay, BG COLOR. I can take the same document. Okay, BG color is equals to, here you have to write the name of your color which you put on your, which you assign to your web page background. Okay, if I want to assign the red color, RED, then I just have to write red here and again save it. Okay, and now I just open my web page, just clicking on the HTML document, just right click here and open with Google Chrome. Okay, okay, look here, the body space BG color is equals to red. Can change the background color of your web page. Okay, you can change it according to your need. Like if I want to change the color as green, then I have to write green here, just save it. Okay, now opening my web document and press refresh button here. Here you can see the document background has been changed. Okay, now the next is changing the color of your text. Means how we can change the color of our text. Okay, suppose this one is the hello world, and if I want to change the color of my text, then I have to write here body space text, TEXT. Okay, body space text is equals to color name. Suppose I want to assign it as blue, BLUE. Okay, so just by saving this, I just open my web page again, just pressing the refresh button. Here you can see your text color will be converted to the, or will be changed to the blue one. Okay, that's all about today's presentation. If you have any query, any doubt related to the video, then you can drop a message or you can WhatsApp me. Thank you. Have a nice day.